Sharing screen. Kita na sa side niya. Kita on siya da. Full screen. Naka full screen siya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, maning nasa natin sa bono, it is on the internet and the research and how you would utilize the power, the basic power isang search engines natin and also how we could maximize it ang iyong potential as well as mga benefit isa sa aton. So, ang aton objectives, it is 5. Reasons for searching the internet. We also have to describe the search engine approaches, the different searching techniques. So we also have the definition of a search engine, explain how it works, then mga popular search engines natin wherein they are categorized according to their purpose. We also have this among specialty search engines natin, tips and tricks. We also have some directory search approach and also describe the invisible web. So a few vocabulary that we can be familiarized on are these terms: the Boolean logic, concept searching, database, defining the hits results or the index or the indexer, also the invisible web or the deep web as they commonly say, tawag nila. Keywords, the math symbols na mga ginagamit natin while doing the search, MP3, and we also have related research, search engine math, search engine spiders, stemming, mga subject directories, truncation, and the wildcard character. So there are many reasons that we use the search engine while we use the internet and doing our research, not only for educational purpose but also for other uses naton. We have some examples naman sa term paper. If for example we would look for reference notes and other articles related to our study, we use the search engine to look for them on the internet. So we also have this finding information on hearing aids, not only for ato niya use, for example for grandmas, mga specific nga medical needs nila pwede na ma-research online. And also the manual for DVD player, medyo sa makadaanan for example in case nga there's some devices nga wala niyo makita. Example, if you want to activate this feature but nadula niyo manual, so there are available na reference nga makikita niyo online. And also planning our trips for any mga online bookings naton, ginagamit naman ang search engine to look for example, look for hotels, look for mga establishments na pwede naton katuan. For example, sa specific trip naton sa Australia, there are also information online ng mga websites nga makahatag sa aton sa any suggestion sa aton nga trip. And so we have these two primary tools. We have the search engines and search directories. So when we define search engine, they call it a software by its basic definition to automatically collect information from the internet. Whereas ang search directories naman, they uses people or the community, the online community, to assemble the information into these categories. There's certain as a main category and a subcategory. So a basic definition nila you use the search engine to search the internet for keywords. So in defining a keyword, it is a word to describe or descriptive word within a web document. So how does a search engine works? By searching your keywords, they use a spider, they call it spider, ganang common yung slang term, but it is a robot app that searches the internet for keywords and put them in an index. So kung ma-notice nyo, for example, mag-search ka sa keywords sa Google, automatically it will suggest a list. Ang result, ang search results is sort of a list of the websites nga relevant gid sa mga keyword. So they put them into an index, do sa namo sa index nga na dara na siyang kuha sa sort of a database, kinakuha yun na sa spider ang mga relevant information in an organized pattern sa mga database and display it to the end user through a list or manang index natin. So most websites contain meta tags. These meta tags are not visible on page. It is for the purpose of describing the page's content and also helps the spiders find the page. So in later on, if we're going to build our mga sa blogs natin, sa websites natin, there are options there na pwede ka makabutang sa mga meta tags nyo. In sa coding side, mayroon na siyang code nga mabutang nyo sa header na part, but sa mga user interface na ganyan yung mga setup sa mga blogs, usually isa lang naka-box, may option na da if you would want to add your meta tags na target nyo. So this is for the spiders nga para ma-crawl nila, yung term nila is to crawl through to your website in order to help them analyze what your content or your website is about and then add them according to the category nga suited gid sa mo yung mga website. And this defining the hits and results, the number of results that are shown to you based on your keywords. So it also depends on how you would put out the meta tags, not only sa header sa meta tags mga option, but also within the document sa particular website or article. If it is showing mo ni kadamo nga klase keywords on a natural scale, about nga natural, it is described within the article nga doon, di sa spam basahon, not like a wall of text na puro lang sa mga keyword, but it is mentioned in a natural way nga organic siya. So ang hits and results are depending on those number of keywords nga ma-cite sang isa ka spider sa mo nga page or sa mo nga website. So increasing the hits and results also increases the rank of that particular website sa index ranking or sa index results sa search results ng mga search engines. So we have the popular search engines naman yung mga Google, Yahoo, Live Search, as so before, but now we are mostly using Google na or yung Bing. Okay, usually si Bing is built in na lang when you install your first OS, tapos may may Microsoft Edge na siya included, so naka-default na sa bing.com ang ilang search engine. So searching for keywords not only includes yung keywords lang yun, as you can see sa text box ni siya, and there's a Google search button. There's also a tab here there wherein you can search for images, maps, also news, shopping. So example for images, may ara na of kung matry nyo git sa sa inyo end, kung mag-click ka mo sa images, you can type for the keyword of the images or pwede ka ka-upload sa specific na image. Amo na ginastyle ko lang yun na ubra ko before if you want to backtrack a certain image, kung may example may copyright siya, kung ginkopya sa example art sabi, if ginkopya yun example copy siya, or let's say may isa ka website na nag-present na or artist na claiming iyan you can use that image to backtrack na din pag siya nakapost sa internet. So in a way you can verify also kung sino ginang tuod nga tagiyas ng mga image. Sa mga purpose, you can not necessarily yung keyword na magamit naton. Ang morning good things ng current technologies ng Google is image searching through an image nga file. Okay, it's very possible na gid sa dun. And for the maps naman, mostly sa maps natin is for locations. So when you open a map and you example you search for a coffee shop, usually it will detect your location kung din example kung naka GPS on mo GPS, or mostly siguro sa imong sa IP address mo sa imong provider, ma-detect na ni Google kung diyan ang imong location and then show the results of coffee shops nga lapit sa inyo nga lugar. So amo nang isa big way nga using the map search, not only for verifying any other location around your area, but also looking for specific keywords gid nga may lugar nga mo sina example for certain city or certain being a country no nga may amo ning keyword. You can also use those options sa ato ng Google. So the same with sa news naman, usually news articles ang niya gina-post. Ma mag-grab na sa list depending on your keyword. Tapos it will grab a list from the top news websites, not only sa local naton but also sa mga international mga news news networks. And for shopping naman they in the same method nila. They will look for a keyword, but it will look for platforms like Amazon or eBay for that certain keyword kung may mga items nga on sale dila or any nga ara sa e-commerce nga naka-post ang amo ng item basing also to the keyword nga ginbutang mo. So next, specialty search engines. These are focusing on a particular topic. Sa term pa lang nga special, ng specialty siya. So, the example of these topics, among mga people, information, companies, mga world data, shopping, and downloads. So, we also have multimedia search engines, specific naton by its file information. There's also video clips, animation, mga MP3, no? We have this website that will search on the MP3 files, but sa multimedia may mga mga issues naman is copyright copyright for copyright dapat kung if you want to listen someone nga na music, you should go sa mga verified sites lang or sa mga YouTube or sa mga officials sites that will have to stream those musics. And going for the meta search engines naman, several uses this type of engines, several search engines at one time, and these are some of the examples. For the meta crawler, if you heard na itong meta tags naton, you can use this website for to search for meta tags nga ginagamit sa mga popular nga mga websites. Lang example, kasi kung sa civil engineering, you could use keywords ng civil engineers, tapos mag-meta crawl sa pangitao niya mga tanan nga mga top sites nga relating to sa mo nga keyword sa civil engineers, then it will check on the meta tags nga naka-post sa mo nga mga websites. So comparing naman nila kung anong i-gauge niya naman. For example, ang mga hits or anong density sa keyword, mga baka density ang pareho to kina ano kadamo ang keyword na sa meta tags nila sa mo nga website, kag i-rank nila accordingly sa kinahanglan mo. Like kung mas damo nga mo ni, usually it will go sa first line, and then masunod na lang dayon ang number in the second and third and so on. So we go with the search engine tools and techniques. We start with the phrase searching, no? If kung naka-try nyo naman before, may mo na ito nagamit din before. When you use phrase searching, use it ang quotation marks naton if you want words to appear next to each other in the results. So in this example, we have Mickey Mantle ng baseball cards. Kinahanglan na ginubutan sang quotation marks between parang tulupaday sila. So kung magwa ang search results, ang exact nga phrase nga mo ni amo gining example sa Mickey Mantle, amo ni magwa sa ila nga within the keyword or sa title nila. So dapat if you want to be more specific na sa inyo nga mga mangita ka mo sa topic nga gusto mo gid nga example nga para ma-filter out gid ang iba, not only having this kini of the keywords ang para namin siya kung naka-phrase siya, you should use this phrase searching technique. Then sa aton search engine math naman, using plus and minus naman naton or your math symbols to filter out unwanted listings. So in this example, we have plus cookie plus recipe. If you search for this keyword that having this two terms na may plus, no? So it will display pages with both words having cookie and plus recipe gid sa mo nga pages. So having naman ng isa ang minus naman, no? Ang minus niya is if you would want one keyword to appear but not the other keyword, it will show the result according sa imong kinmat symbol nga pag-type mo sa keywords mo. So mo ni cookie minus coconut, so it will only display cookie recipes without the term nga coconut naton. So you can combine plus or minus kung pareho mo sila mo plus plus kani with at the same time pwede ka magamit sa pre-searching. Only combinable na sila when have the pre-search sa first part and then you add the plus kag another keyword sa punta niya, pwede man na siya. So when we also talk about Boolean searching, no? Ang Boolean naman is logical operators yung nagamit ito. And we have three nga available nga kag also applicable during our search engine nga technique. So these are the and or not. So example natin is cookies and recipes but not coconut. No? So we'll have these two keywords, cookies and recipes. So mag-amaga and duwa gini sila. Pero magbuduwa nga duwa sila kag mag-not, so wala ning isa. Wala ning coconut keyword sa amon nga search result. But they will have these two keywords, the cookies and recipes sa amon nga result. So the same naman dire ang aton nga naglain lang isang or. So kung maghambal nga or either of the two keywords, it's either the recipes or the chocolate, and ang cookies ang mga fix na to ng keyword and napili sa or either recipes or cookies and chocolate ang display niya sa aton nga search results. So talking about wildcard searching, we use the asterisk sign as the wildcard character naton for aton nga keyword. Okay, for example, if you type out a keyword, no, specific no keyword is a keyword, no, first keyword, then you add the wildcard character sa after no, or sa before, the results will have those specific keywords, but ang mga wildcards, anything, any character or words nga makakombine sa iyang before sa amo ng keyword or sa after niya pwede niya. So kung nabuta mo siya before sa keyword mo, ang asterisk sign, it will display nga results as any keyword or phrase nga ginagamit niya, then the asterisk kag ang namuntong keyword nga ginagamit mo. So depende naman kung din mo siya ng location ibutang, but usually it will go with the any, ang notes na is any phrase or word nga uses that keyword nga ginagamit mo for searching, and the asterisk is ang amo ng after nga kung din ang ini nga phrase or keyword nga makakombine sa imong sa imong ginagamit ng keyword. Okay, so if you notice also kung wa ng search results, no, this is the list naton sa aton nga mga page after searching for a certain keyword, no, or phrase. It will appear naman nga may mga related search naman ta. So kung may related search when the search engine offers you similar pages, so these similar page links are also within those website that also have those keywords nga again search mo. So for this example, ang aton nga internet tutorials, no. So from first aton nga result din sa babaw, ang Internet Beginners Guide Tutorials refdesk.com, may ara na siya nga mo ning keyword naton, the Learn Internet Tutorial by ARP, and then maging suggest nga similar page man. So this similar pages naton also contains those terms, the internet tutorial within the title nila or within their document. So the same there, and this one. So usually ang mga akong example, kung isa ka website is more focused gid sa isa ka specific na keyword or phrase na keywords, ano gid siya it will not only display ang pinaka-related nga page, but also suggest other pages nga may amo man nga content, which will also help you sa imong sa information nga ginapangita mo. So subject directory searching, so these are assembled by people, no? Literally these are online communities, mga user, mga end users man naton nga nag volunteer, or may have assembled an organization to collect and organize these subject directories. So these are listed by subject and displayed in a series of menus. So if you are going to find information, you need to drill down through these levels, going from the general topic up to the specific topic. So an example na this is subject directory. Unfortunately, this is already discontinued na sa 2014 pa ni. But before, kung they have yung mga bago subong is nag-replace na sila sa more of a business listings na setup. They also have this sort of a board of categories, no? Main categories and subcategories, but it is leaned more sa business listings na in other mga information. So amo na yung example before na sa Yahoo directory sa nga pa siya na online. They arrange these categories alphabetically, no, starting here with sa arts and humanities, and then going sa society and culture. So under sa arts and humanities, may mga topics naman nila, mga subtopics naton, photography, history, literature, performing arts, so on and so forth. So if you mga about to drill down, you need example kung may literature ka nga napangita, no? So maklik ka din sa literature. Pag open niya na, may mga subcategories pag yun siya kung ano klase ng literature ang ginapangita mo. So as you drill down dayon, let's say mga final end yan na ang sa after you've selected subtopics na, so you drill down to the subtopics, ma-display na siya sa list of articles man or links of websites. Those same ang tsura yan na sa final end na is the similar man sa aton yung search engine results. So may list nga siya nga i-hashtag, either list sa mga links sa mga articles or news or any other nga website nga makaka-cater sa mo tong na drill down na sa subtopic. So when we talk about visible web, these are searchable database that are not indexed by general search engines. Basically, there are answers that exist. You can type na diretso sila, no? Example, if you have this top website nga pero there are specific websites nga if you search mo sila nga hindi mo sila ma-search sa search engines, but you can type out sa balaan mo lang ang name, ang ngalan mo sa nila website, you can type it directly na lang makavisit ka directly, but not through this common search engines na ginagamit as they are not indexed by those specified search engines. So in summary, that we have learned that ang search engine directories gid among aton basic tools for finding information online. So people assemble directories, and these search engines are automated. So basically, it is a software program, online lang siya galing, and most search engines support keyword searches. So concept-based searching, of course, when the search engine returns hits that relate to keywords. And when we talk about steaming, relates to the search engine's capability to find variations of a word. So kung ma-notice nyo na kung ma-type out, kung mag-type pa lang ka mo sa text box ng Google search, may kagawa na nag-drop down. So that is called steaming natin. They can search nga kung depende mo sa algorithm nga nabuta natin or sa aton nga previously search nga nga mga session natin mo magbuta mo nila. Kung i-type out a part of that keyword, or kung ma-type out mo ng keyword nga specific dira, ma-suggest si search engine sang other topics nga gina-search mo or mga popular mga topics nga related sa mga keyword. Sa mga streaming natin. Sa meta tags naman, ang mga itong special tags embedded in the web page for spiders to use. They use these tags to create their indexes. So keywords describe the information you're trying to locate within a web page, and the search engines contain a database of organized information atom. And also they use this natural language. To recap our main parts of the search engine, amo ng software natin, the search engine software, and a spider, the searches for keywords, and an index, the index results. Subwords such as amo ng www, a bot, or and so forth are not indexed by many search engines. So a search engine uses an algorithm to index websites, and specialized search engines focus on particular topic. And also multimedia search engines, some mga video and animation, graphics, music, they also use this type to display those results. And then those subject directories organized by subject categories and subcategories. And the subject experts check the websites that are part of the subject directory database. So freezing natin is double quotation marks plus minus for the inclusion of words, and we use boolean operators or and not for the boolean type of searching. And of course the wildcard searching using the asterisk symbol. And lastly, no single organization exists the internet. It is mainly composed of several organizations and communities nga voluntarily uses the index methods para nga put up sa mga list sa mga websites naton nga pwede naton ma-search through our general search engines nga ginagamit naton subong. So that's for that lecture. Any questions or comments?